Good morning, students. Everybody present. Okay. Uh, in previous class, we are studying about introduction of cell. Who discovered the cell and who discovered the nucleus? Where present cell? Function of cell. Okay, understood? Total history about cell. Now, today we study and another topic, that is plasma membrane. Previous class we also studied different shape size of cell. Okay, blood cell, nerve cells, they have different shape, size and different functions. Now we have to study stepwise in detailed history of cell. Clear? So first is plasma membrane. What do you mean by plasma membrane? Why the term is called plasma membrane? We know, suppose this is a cell, okay, and inside the cell and center there is present nucleus. Inside the cell, there are present different type of organelles of cell, which is called the cell organelles. That is mitochondria, Golgi body, ribosomes, okay, cell vacuoles, different type of cell or plastic, endoplasmic reticulum, okay, different type of cell organelles are present inside the cell, but they are need protections of that cell organelles. Here, that plasma membrane will protections the cell organelles. Understood? But why the term is plasma membrane? Membrane means covering. Okay, membrane means covering. And plasma, why plasma? Because inside the cell there presents some cytoplasmic watery plasma like substance are present inside the cell. It is covered by a membrane. So it is called the plasma membrane. Okay. I hope that you understood the meaning of definition of plasma membrane, the meaning of plasma membrane. Okay. And you can also tell the definitions of plasma membranes in that way, in that process. Hmm. The a plasma membrane is a that type of membrane which cover the cell organelles which are present inside the cell, and it differentiate from the alag differentiate from the other cells, differentiate from the other cells. Okay, what do you mean by plasma membrane? You can also tell in that, use that definition. You can also use that definition. Plasma membrane is the one type of membrane which helps to cover and protections the other cell organelles, and it also differentiate from the external environment. Okay, differentiate from the external environment. That is called the plasma membrane. Understood? Now you have to study the structure of plasma membrane. Structure of plasma membrane. Okay, and where presents plasma membrane? Where is it present? Where is it present? It is present in all cells. Present in all cells. That means plant cell and also animal cells. Okay, plasma membrane presents all cell, plant cell and also animal cells. Okay, this is the outermost layer. Now structures. When we observe that plasma membrane through electron microscope, then it looks like that structures. This is the protein layer, and this is the lipid layer. Okay, this is the lipid layer. The plasma membrane is selectively permeable. The plasma membrane is selectively permeable membrane. Okay, why it is called selectively permeable membrane? It allows entry of certain substance. Okay, it allows entry of certain substance. Okay, for these reasons, it is called selectively plasma, a selectively permeable membrane. Okay, it is made up of bilipid layer and proteins are integrated. Proteins are integrated in out and inside. Okay, this is the protein. This is the lipid layer, lipid bilayer. Why it is called lipid bilayer? Because here presents two lipid layers. That is one, and that is the second. That is the first layer, and this is the second layer. Okay. For these reasons, lipid layer also called lipid bilayer. Okay. And this is the proteins, and here this is also a protein layer. Okay, understood? So, क्या है? It is made up of a bilipid layer and proteins. Proteins, okay, are integrated in out and inside. Understood? This is the structures of plasma membrane. Okay, and some proteins are present in between that layers, and there also present some pore. They are present the pore. Okay, this protein is called integral protein. Okay, integral proteins, and also some small carbohydrates are attached at placed to outer surface of lipids and proteins. Okay, where presents the carbohydrates in this way, in that process. This is the carbohydrates. Okay, carbohydrates molecules. Okay, carbohydrates. So, well, which chemical components present in the plasma membrane? Presents protein, lipid, and carbohydrates. Okay, any other chemical components also present in plasma membrane when you study in higher classes, then you will understood the structures of plasma membranes and which chemical components also presents. Main chemical components are protein, lipid, and proteins and some carbohydrate molecules. That's small carbohydrates are attached and placed to outer surface of lipid and proteins. Outer surface of lipid and proteins. Okay. In this way, that plasma membrane is built up. Understood? This is the structures of plasma membrane. Positions where present it now outside of the cell, outermost of the cell. Okay. Uh, this is the structures of plasma membrane. Okay. You are already told different type of cell organism, unicellular, multicellular in previous class. Okay. So you can understood which are unicellular and which are multicellular. Okay. That is unicellular bacteria, some bacteria, amoeba, paramecium are unicellular, and plants, animals, all are multicellular. But they have also plasma membrane. Understood? Every cell organelles have plasma membrane, but cell wall absent in case of animal cell, but present in plant cell. Understood? Present in plant cell and absent in animal cell. Clear? The functions now we have to study about the structures completed, and study about, you have to study about function of plasma membrane. Already some important functions are told just now. Okay, that is functions. Number one, it gives to shape to contents of cell. Okay, it gives to shape size of cell. Second, mechanical barrier. What do you mean by mechanical barrier? Functions. Number one, shape, give proper shape. Okay, give proper shape. Shape to contents of cell. Second functions, it gives mechanical barrier. Mechanical barrier means protections. Okay, just like wall. Okay, mechanical means here this is the cell. Some different kinds of external force are created on cells, may be created on cells. Then that plasma membrane protect the cell organelles which are present inside the cell. That is called the mechanical barriers. Okay, understood? Next functions, osmosis. Osmosis. Osmosis means in which transportation systems the molecules are transferred from high concentration to low concentration to semi-permeable membrane. We are all known that the plasma membrane have another character, that is the semi-permeability. Okay, semi-permeability. What do you mean by semi-permeable? Semi-permeable means in which membrane systems they are have semi-permeable means in which membrane systems they are have permeability to solvent and solvent but prevent solute passages. Okay, permeability. Semi means half. Okay, मतलब आधा permeability power है इसमें. ठीक है, सॉल्वेंट एंड सॉल्यूट बोथ उसमें क्या हो जाएगा, परमिट हो जाएगा, ऐसा टाइप नहीं. ठीक है, जो क्या होते हैं सिलेक्टिव या सेमी परमेबिलिटी में मतलब क्या होते हैं ना, मेम्ब्रेन्स परमेबल टू सॉल्वेंट बट प्रिवेंट्स सॉल्यूट्स पैसेज. ठीक है, अंडरस्टूड? मीनिंग ऑफ सेमी परमेबिलिटी क्लियर? एंड सिलेक्टिवली परमेबल मेम्ब्रेन्स मींस membranes have another capacity which have to select the particular molecules for entry or exit the molecules. Okay, entry or exit, that means plasma selectively permeable means क्या होते हैं ना, ऐसा कुछ मॉलिक्यूल्स जो रहते हैं जो क्या करते हैं ना, प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन डिसाइड करते हैं जो कौन सा मेम्ब्रेन सॉरी कौन सा मॉलिक्यूल्स एंट्री होना है, कौन सा एग्जिट करना है. ओके, दैट इज कॉल्ड सिलेक्टिवली परमेबल मेम्ब्रेन. ओके, for example in our kidney there have selectively permeable, all plasma membrane have selectively permeable systems, but just examples, when we are all known that different type of waste materials are released through our urines. Okay, but that urine formed inside the kidney, that waste materials are refined from the blood inside the kidney. That means from the blood they are from refining and release the urines, formation of urines and it release. Okay, but not release blood cells. Okay, because inside the kidney their functional unit is nephron. Nephrons have permeable, selectively permeable capability. For these reasons, blood cells are not passed, only waste materials are passed to the nephrons. Okay, This is the selectively permeable membrane. Understood? And impermeability means substance do not pass through the membrane, such as polythene bags, balloons. Okay, during the holy times, we are already used colorful water and pour inside the balloons. Then it is mined, but balloons, but the colorful waters are not released. Color are not released from the balloons because balloons, that rubber is not a permeable character. So it is called the impermeable. Understood? Substance do not pass through the membrane. That is called the impermeable. Understood? Meaning of impermeable. Permeable means both solids and solvents can pass through the membrane. That is called the permeable. Clear? So impermeable, permeable, semi-permeable, and selectively permeable. Clear? I hope that you are already understood the meaning of the terms. Okay. And functions clear. Transportation systems. The plasma membrane have also transportation systems. The transportation systems is two types: active transport and passive transport. Next, number 3 and 4 is transportation. Transportations of molecules. Okay, the transportations are two types: active transport and passive transport. Active transport means in which transportation systems they need energy. That means utilize energy to transfer the molecules, solutes need energy. That is called the active transport. And passive transport need not use any type of energy. That is called passive transport. Okay. Active transport and passive transport. Okay, active transport means they are need energy. Need energy, yeah. Utilize energy, use energy. Okay, that is called active transport. And passive transport did not energy. Okay, that is the passive transport systems. That's activity present in plasma membrane. That's the functions of plasma membrane. Understood? Okay. In next class, we are study about structure of cell wall, which are present inside the plant cells. That means plant cells have plasma membranes. Okay, sorry, plant cell have cell wall. Okay, cell wall present in plant cells. Next class, we will study about the cell wall and some solute systems. What do you mean by osmosis, diffusion? Okay, and hypertonic solution, hypotonic solution, isotonic solution. In next class, we will discuss about that topics. Clear? Okay.